Before we continue with our cooking, I want to specially welcome all my new followers. Thank you and God bless you. And to my newcomers, I welcome you. Here, I share about my lifestyle, trying out different things, cooking a lot of dishes, and also lots more that I do here in my channel. So please try to get along, subscribe, always like, comment, and definitely we are here to grow. Okay, so let's continue. So today is a special way that I thought I should share to my lovely people out there how I prepare my fried rice. This is actually the first method, and I'm going to share in another video the different style I use to achieve what we call fried rice. So I want to tell you today that fried rice is very easy to prepare. Very easy to prepare. You know, one thing about cooking is trying it out, recreating, because no one knows it all. We don't know everything about cooking. Even the best cook in this world does not know how to prepare everything. You need to keep trying, and you achieve the great taste that you want. So I decided on making use of my chicken broth to boil my rice. That is after parboiling it already. I've already parboiled the white rice before adding it into my chicken broth. So it gave me this color. Seasoning my chicken with curry powder, salt, onion with thyme, and after cooking the rice I got that color you just saw. So after then I decided to fry my chicken because I needed to get that golden color, not too golden. I just wanted to fry it to get a different taste, you know. It depends on your options. If you like a fried meat, if you don't like a fried meat, you can go with it just the way it is. Me personally, I enjoy chicken whether fried or unfried. So after frying my chicken, I went ahead to the main process. I added my onion. Depending on what you want, you can really achieve your fried rice with no stress. Then I've already cut all the things I'll be making use of. In here, my carrots, my onion, like I mentioned earlier, and my green bean. I started to fry. We all know that green bean takes a little bit of time to get done depending on when you choose to put, but I will advise you put it first in order for it to get done because it's a bit strong when you want to cook it. So I fried for some minutes. I added my salt and every other ingredient I'm using. But for you to achieve that color on your fried rice, I think making use of natural spices is just the best. I prefer using curry, then I prefer using turmeric. So the last ingredient I added was turmeric. Turmeric gives you a nice taste and a different color in your food, and it's also one of the best ingredients that you can use to prepare rice and also when you want to prepare your stew, depending on your choice, like I always say. But turmeric is a nice spice to make use of in this special fried rice recipe. So I started stirring and stirring. Please do not mind the way my camera is being positioned. Sorry, I was having issues with my tripod stand, so I don't really know how it came out, but I needed to post this video for you all to watch. I can't afford to miss any part. Please bear with me. So I continued frying for some minutes. In here, I added my blended pepper. I made use of a yellow pepper because it has this taste, this special taste. If you know what I mean, yellow pepper gives you this taste in all your dishes. Me, I used it because I'm preparing a fried rice which I need a special color and I wanted it to give me that taste also. So I added it into my oil, fried it together with the green bean and carrot. Doing this for some minutes and keep stirring so it will not get burnt. You have to continue stirring so your pot will not get burnt. At this moment, when you see that it's a bit done, I started adding my boiled rice. The rice is already done. The way you are looking at it, it is done. I started adding it bit by bit. Reason because you don't want to stress yourself. Adding it bit by bit will help you to turn it properly without stress, and it will make the whole ingredient to go round the food and also to taste better. Okay, so I continued this process in order to get what I wanted. Gradual, gradually. Okay, so at some time I added my green corn. We all know green corn. We use it in preparing fried rice. So I added it at the middle of the process because it used to be softer. It's already canned. I added it also with my yellow corn in order to mix everything. As you can see, everything is complete in this fried rice. Although it's fried rice on a budget, but I don't think anything is missing. If anything is still missing, tell me in the comment section. But for me, this is a perfect fried rice that you can make for your family, and your family will love it. Your husband will love you more. So don't hesitate to try out this recipe and give me feedback on it. Okay? Continue watching. It came out so nice. Looking at it alone, tell me, are you not tasty? Are you not having the appetite? Don't worry, give me your plate. I'm going to fetch you some, okay? So hope you enjoyed today, Claire's. Hope you enjoyed the type of recipe for today and be expecting lots of more to come. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and see you in my next video. I am Ukdelish. Bye. Mwah.